Hey, Chase from Alsace Americana here, doing a 12-foot radius. Going to be half bench on the outside perimeter. The middle is going to be a fire pit, Sahara chestnut by Cambridge. With no further ado, let us get some RCA in here, base it, compact it, and we'll come back in a later shoot and show you how we start the fire pit. What we have here is the first course going in, the most important course in my opinion. Keep it nice and level, take your time, get the radius perfect, get all the corners closed up, gotta get your sub base in nice and compacted. I know it looks a little bit loose on top, but that's just like a top little bit to adjust the stones in. Then we've gone around and we've leveled everything up, made sure the first course is right on. The first course is everything, so take your time, get them level both ways, across the pit, this way across the pit. And I would say if you went stone by stone, we're pretty level all the way around. So what we have here is the last course of the fire pit. I'm just banging everything in tight to the steel ring that's supplied with your fire pit kit from Cambridge. Makes it nice and easy. This way when you're burning a fire, the heat from the fire is not splintering and popping in the concrete. So it's either got to be lined with a steel ring or you want to line it with fire brick. If you're going to line it with fire brick, you have to coat the inside with fireproof mortar and then get that slurp effect going again and slurp that right to the wall. Make sure it stays on there. So if you're not doing the steel ring, you definitely have to do fire brick. The other thing I want to point out is if you look course for course, like this course and this course are lined up. I'm not saying it has to be that way, but it's a pet peeve of mine. I like when this course and this course are in line, this course and this course, that block and that block. So when you take your time, you level the very first course, and then you're putting on your other layers, getting to the height of the steel, the top of the fire pit, which will be perfect because with the height of the wall, you'll be able to sit on the wall and put your feet on top of the fire pit. When there's no fire burning, of course, because you wouldn't want to burn the bottom of your feet when you have a fire going. That'd be silly. But anyway, in a later video, we're going to level this all out, compact it, and get our outside wall going. That'll be a whole different video. This fire pit is done. It's like begging for a fire. I can hear it. What's that? Soon. We're working very hard, very fast. Soon you'll have a fire in you. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.